Yeah, the fishing village, in fact, the population, we have quite a number of people living here, and those people who come and go. But as you can see, the beach, we don't have a toilet. The toilet is there, it is one, but it is not even enough for the population. So it exposed the population to various infections, because most of them do go to bush. So during rainy season, the stools are washed to the lake.
And do you use the lake for other things too then, the water here?
Yeah, it's being used for, as you can see there, children taking bath. They are washing themselves up there. Around 99%.
We'll get water from the lake.
They get water from the lake.
And that's their drinking water, their washing water?
Washing water, drinking water. It is for
everything.
Domestic use. Yes. And majority of people don't treat water. They just take it raw.